Hello my country people. Now wow, our Nollywood actor stroke politician wey dem dey call Desmond Elliot don enter one chance o. E don enter big wahala for the hands of Nigerian youth o, because of the speech wey e make concerning the Naija youth dem. Dem don come for am. Different celebrity na im don come tidy Desmond Elliot matter o. One of the one wey be say e dey reign now, wey be say e just tidy up im matter, na im be Georgina Onuoha don finish Desmond Elliot with mouth. But before I go into those ones, both the one wey Mr. P talk sef, I go want make una watch this.
Mr. Speaker, we need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media, the social influencers, all of these are making the narrative that we are seeing today, except we are joking with ourselves. Social media, yes, though good, has its negative impact. The curses, the abuses from children. And I ask myself, is this Nigeria? What is going on? Children cursing, people having the effrontery to enter an Oba's palace, hold the staff of office. Culture is gone. Mr. Speaker, in the next 5 years, there will be no Nigeria.
All right, so my people, now welcome back. Now know say some time ago, rumor don dey fly say Desmond Elliot dey push for the bills of this social media stuff. Say make dem put that law wey be say e go make social media people no go dey speak, no go dey talk anyhow for social media. Maybe if you see something wey be say e dey happen, you no go fit chook mouth, you no go fit touch light am the way be say as I come here dey touch light the matter wey be say e dey go on. So Desmond Elliot now call Nigerian people youth. Una know say during this protest when e dey go on for Lekki toll gate, after dem come kpai a lot of people, when Nigerian army come kpai a lot of people, Desmond Elliot no even talk go that side. The only thing when e be say e pain am, according to him, he say na the hate speech wey be say people dey talk, say dem come even get mind go Oba Palace. But he no tell people say as dem go that Oba Palace, dem see all those things wey be say dem give people. I no wan name them here. Those things wey be say dem dey give people during lockdown, wey be say koro dey worry people, all those food stuff, everything. He no talk say dem see am for Oba house. He no talk say dem see pile of dollar for Oba house. He no talk that one. The only thing wey e dey pain am now, the speech wey be say dem dey make, na im dey pain am. Say in the next 5 years, say Nigeria no go dey exist again if dem continue like this. Say so make dem do something quick, like seriously. So one of the celebrity wey be say e come really finish am for the word when he talk, na be Mr. P. Mr. P say normally im think say some people dey fall person hand, but this time around somebody like Desmond no only fall hand, e fall prick join. So that one na one. Davido come and say the Desmond don make am all those movie wey be say dey act, all those child memory wey be say the love wey be say e get for am, say e just make the whole thing disappear like all of a sudden, all the memory just wipe out because of this kind statement where Desmond Elliot do. The koko of the whole matter of this whole thing na Georgina don paranoid. I don't know whether I go fit even play that video here because I no want make YT give me copyright matter. Even this one when I play now, I don't know whether how e go be. That one Georgina don finish Desmond Elliot. He say Desmond Elliot wey be say all of them dey for university for Lagos, say to even see transport to go house, say na dem na dey give this Desmond Elliot transport when they take go house. Say better hunger don kpokpo this guy wey una dey see so. Say in fact say Desmond Elliot fall her hand well. She dey very disappointed for this whole matter wey be say Desmond Elliot just come fall hand yakata anyhow. Even Mr. P say e no only fall hand, e fall prick join. Chai my people. And wow, this kind of thing wey Desmond Elliot do. So he come dey yab Desmond Elliot. He say Desmond Elliot wey be say the youth dem get hope, say dem put am for there, say because of say him don see suffer before, person wey be say know how suffer be, say all of a sudden because of him don touch pepper, him don touch money, him don see the taste of how this money be, say Desmond Elliot come forget everything overnight, so tey him come dey wine and dine with the people. He no even fit represent the people wey be say put am for there, because dem feel say youth dem gree put am for there, say because of say him na young person and him understand the way how people wey be say dey street dem dey supa, dem dey suffer. Say so Desmond Elliot get that mind, come dey talk, so tey come dey talk against Nigerian youth, come dey call Nigerian youth say children, say what an hey, no be small thing. I no wan speak some kind grammar wey be say white go come talk say I talk some kind thing. So my people, oh, how una see this kind matter? Because the whole thing now, e don make everybody, even for worry, dem say make Desmond Elliot no near worry. Oh, hey God, I say people come say Desmond Elliot just use him hand go buy wahala for himself. If you no know wetin you go talk this period, you no go quiet your mouth, you no go shocking yourself. This period wey be say people no just dey happy at all. People no get joy at all. People no get joy. This period wey be say na so Omotola come talk him own. I do one video concerning Omotola. If you never watch Omotola on, abeg, maybe I go put the video for my description box so that una go watch Omotola on, where I talk say if dem no say person no kpai, or if dem no say person kpai, make the people wey be say their people kpai, make dem come out come talk am, say enough of all this talk wey be say dem dey talk. You can imagine. I no come understand wetin dey happen for this Nigeria. People wey be say dem suppose to represent the voice of the people, na dem come begin dey turn another thing. We no understand them at all. Desmond Elliot wey be say dey act film in the 90s, where everybody dey like am like another thing, and that was the reason this same social media wey be say im dey condemn, na be the thing wey be say bring am into limelight. If no be social media, Desmond Elliot, who know you, who you be? Who you be? Na so Nigeria ask and say who you be. So Georgina no just take am lightly with am at all. He don come out, he don finish Desmond Elliot. He say no get respect for am again. Say all the respect wey we say he get for Desmond Elliot, say Desmond Elliot don make the respect vanish. Say I go open mouth dey talk that kind thing, dey call Nigerian people youth, instead of he go focus on the main koko, the main matter. People wey be say all those lawmakers, all those commissioner, all those wetin dem dey call them, all those people wey be say dem give the, wey dey in charge of the palliative, instead of him go talk say make dem bring them book to book, make dem bring them to order, because at least those things dem suppose to don give am out since that lockdown period. Dem carry am go hold. You no talk that one. We need some of the all those honorable, dem carry the palliative take dey do their birthday as birthday gift. You no talk that one. You no talk say make dem go arrest those people, make dem, so that they go question dem, say why be say something wey be say dem provide for una since, make una give these people, una no give them, una carry them go hold. You no talk that one. Na that one na dey pain them. You no know say na dem come dey tell am say you no know say na action na dey bring reaction. When they put people for suffer, put people no dey fit dey chop, people no dey fit dey eat, now they come out dey talk say people enter Oba palace. You know say when all these leaders they don lost their respect, children go dey do them anyhow. In those days, the Obas, na dem dey represent the people. Fear no go let you even enter Oba palace. Now when all these king they don dey wine and dine with all these politicians, now they bring all this disrespect for them. Na true be that. Na the thing when it cause this whole matter. Traditional rulers wey una dey see, so wey be all this king, na dem dey represent the people. Na dem supposed to be for the people. They give una koro palliative, say una go give to people. You carry and go stock for inside your house, the thing dey spoil. You tell me say that kind king get respect. Una dey find respect. Una no know say respect is earned. No be something wey be say respect, no be something wey be say they go just carry give you. You must earn am. So all this one wey Desmond Elliot dey talk, a lot of youth don ready for am, because this time around dem know say if a lot of people come dey even dey talk say all this one wey we dey say old people dey there, what of Desmond Elliot wey na young person wey be say na him suppose to be the voice of the people? Say him doing that kind of position show say no be by youth, because he really fall hand well fall prick join according to Mr. P. So my people, oh, how una see this whole matter? In case you get anything wey be say you wan talk for this whole matter, make you put make we continue the discussion for comment section. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.